biking and riding bikes. Of course my tire broke, popped, but whatever. About to head back right now. I'm actually not sure if all the E30 brakes are the same, but this is a 1991 318i with an M42, I believe. It's the 4-cylinder 1.8, whatever. And they got the drums for the emergency brake, and they got the disc for the rear brake. So you just take the caliper off, pop the rotor off, put the new one on, and it's pretty simple. I already did the front brake calipers and pads. I mean rotors, sorry, not calipers. But I got these cheap ones off eBay. They're drilled and slotted. I don't really know the brand. 120 bucks for all 4 rotors and 8 pads. So pretty good deal. But like I said, fronts are on. I'm about to do the rears right now. You can't really see because of my wheels, but try. Yeah, so that's them. Look, they don't look bad for 120 bucks for the whole car. See, it will probably won't last long, but we'll see. I'll go ahead and compare the old and new one. Yeah. So, yeah, that'll be straight. The old ones are a little worn out and rusted, so while I'm in, got the wheels off, they're still pretty new, so they just got a lot of dirt on them. So I'm gonna wash out the inside, keep them all clean. They're getting dirty. You can see all that dirt in there, so I'm gonna wash them out.
You see, stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on 2 separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis to certain sections of the orchestra.
The caliper bolts are 17 millimeter. Take those off, take the pads off, put the brake caliper up here. Should be okay right there, it's not going anywhere. You can see the brake shoes on the inside here. So here's a new one. So yeah, a lot nicer. I finally got these on. I had to kind of force the pad on because there wasn't much space, but you know what? It's all good. Time to put the wheels back on and wash it up. Good to go. Washed it up, now it's looking really good.
Impossible to
It's looking
obtain
beautiful.
in a monaural recording.
Yeah, looks nice. About to cruise on out.